Now we're live. There we go. We're a little slow. Okay, so we're here. We're in lesson 16. So this here, and so tilt the computer back. So we came for our computers, but Leo's here. He hasn't run away yet. I'm running away. Bye. Sister Lemon. Hard to.
It's a program that it's a code that displays the global board on it. And it's on the computer. Let's this here. Put this here for the space. And then we'll just randomize and I write something.
My cough. Okay, group meeting kids.
It is. If it is, correct. If it's not, don't count. It's not. No. It's got, yeah. It's just anything. You look down for the window and see if there's cars. But no, you float inside of the world and see if there's cars. You see one day. Okay.
Is that it? Seriously? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I like that. Can't they all be like this? Okay, so question 3. It's the third one down. Each slice represents the proportional. Yep. 4. Okay. Hard charts and
Burrito? Whatever that is.
Yeah, that one.
That one is descending. It's a descending bar chart.
Okay.
Scroll down. That one.
Oh, okay. So it's just a bar chart, but they just
Descending, yeah.
put. Okay. Why can't they just call it a bar chart? They're gonna call it all these fancy. Oh, let's come up with this cool name.
Yeah, I like the cool name.
So that's the third one down. Okay, question 5. Ooh, now we actually have to do stuff. If we put the PSR restricted, if NP is greater than or equal to 10, times P minus times P
Oh, it's asking the meaning of the symbol. So P is what is P mean?
One more thing to add to my sticky note or notes. Oh, that was the other thing. Is I had a sticky note that had my thing like, okay, how to do a hypothesis. The thing in my sticky note fell off my computer.
Oh,
So I was like, oh no.
oh no.
It was just a bad day for my test.
Great,
So
right?
the sample proportion, that's the P with the little arrow. Is there just a normal P that doesn't have an arrow, or is that?
Yeah, and I think it's
See this one? So it says sample proportion, which is T, and it has a little thing above it, but is that the same as just a regular P? Just go down the line. Oh, or the mean of, okay.
So
P
is the meaning of
the sample.
I would. How about you? This is a we're looking at this
Luckily, there's only two answers, but so is P the true proportion or the sample?
But right now, so this is a program.
So the true proportion of the mean of the random variable P is this. So P, so does that mean that P is the true? So P is the true proportion mean of the random variable.
This is it has a variable
Proportion is
use another
so the sample
and then we'll calculate and then multiply. That's all. Yeah, I like that. And I had also to write all the
So what do you got for answer? Question number 5 is sample proportion, I believe. Question number 5.
true.
Not true, but true proportion is in here. See, it's this thing. P with the little
Well,
thing. That's true proportion.
where was it? Where was it?
Okay.
So the true population mean okay, there guys. See the population proportion now. Okay. That's right. So I saw this. So I thought I read the true proportion mean of the random variable. That makes sense.
Maybe I'm wrong.
So you're at the summary at the very bottom. So that's the P with the little thing above it.
It's a point estimate of true
And
proportion.
it's asking about just the regular P.
It's not.
Okay, so the true proportion. So under section 3.2.2, it says this is the true proportion of heads, blah blah blah.
This is the
And it says this is the mean. So maybe it is the true proportion. So that's the other reason. Maybe just maybe that's what I think it's also true. The true proportion there. Where else is it true? So the true proportion of the people who support a pretty interesting this show this week. If they tie that intentionally, is P. So the true, so it looks like between this one. So the true proportion of people who support a particular candidate is.
I'll go for true proportion.
Yeah, we'll go with that one. And I said if it's not it, then we come back and
And it's definitely the sample size.
yeah.
Question 7 is the one I have question.
So P is the smallest number of heads satisfies
Next 3 questions, so it's according to question.
So okay, so is this is that what we do? So the C is this the NP is greater than 10 or 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10. Doesn't matter if that's what we have to.
So let's just do a simple math here. So what I put is, since P is 0.025, 0.25, sorry. 0.25, so I just do this math right here. 0.25, 0.25n is equals 10, and then you do the simple math. So 0.25, sorry, 0.75.
Yeah, subtracted.
Yeah, 0.75n is equals 10. So 10 divided by 0.725 is the n.
13.
Yeah, 13.3333333. So n needs to be the whole number that needs to be 14. I don't know.
Let's look at the question, see if it says.
It didn't say round to any numbers. I believe it's a whole number because it's a sample. Sample cannot be half sample. You know?
Yeah.
Alright, use the following information to answer the next two questions.
What is the mean of P? So the mean of P is P?
Oh, yeah.
Was easy. What is the standard deviation of?
There's a formula right here.
Okay, so standard deviation is P times 1 minus V. Okay, so P is
Now we have
Do you want to square root of it?
what's the end?
Dark Ages.
We got the prediction.
Give this itself. Calculator.
This is what I got. 0.1.
Yeah. No, actually, no. Really? Let me see.
Wait, you got different number?
Okay, so what number did you get? I've got two numbers, two different numbers each time.
0.1. At least I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I should have this right here.
No,
I don't think that would
yeah.
change much.
You had to go into more theory.
1.
Something that number, I get that number each time.
It's not 0.004, it's 0.4.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's negative. That's negative.
Yeah.
That would do it.
Yes. Yes.
There we go. Yeah. Input one as well.
Do we have a spreadsheet for this? We should have some resources for this.
Like which one? Number 10?
Yeah, for this chapter.
So all I saw was what is P? P.
I
Oh, we got it here. Is that right?
oh, that was
I'm good by hand. Well, there's a formula down here. Here, watch this. Probability calculations. If you have N and P, and if N and P fulfill this requirement, then you can use the formula.
Yeah. That's my
Oh, that's true, actually.
yeah,
What is X?
That's what I'm trying to.
Yeah,
X is
right?
the number of respondents that they're in.
Oh, so it's part of the sample that shows one identity.
Okay, so this one is
Okay, so here you go. This thing just
Divide by 100?
yeah, this divided by 100, that will be the P with the triangle, and then that number minus P. So according to this formula right here, and then divided by whatever is down
Well,
here.
well, just X divided by N will give us that.
Yeah.
So I'm curious. This. Which one of these would be the X? Is it the dot 300? Or is it 35?
That's average. Average is mean, which is P. 35 is this like
The X?
the X. Yeah.
So we just take 35 divided by 100. Okay. The standard deviation is.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Standard deviation, that's a little bit tough one.
What's that other one? That's one. So what was our numbers? Was N was 100 and P was 3,000.
Run to nearest two decimal.
So 048.
Right. This is the MC.
Hey, Z-scores.
What goes into this?
P divided by 0.48. So you can go back to Excel. Yep.
Oh, this is gotta be old.
It's a Z-score, you said?
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's see, and that equals
This
the P, and the P,
P
divided by,
minus P minus the P mean.
so then this one minus that one.
We put it in a column. That's the input. Equals the P up minus mean divided by this number. It's the same. Value minus
Oh,
mean,
okay, this one.
standard
Okay,
deviation. So same thing.
okay, I was looking at this one.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Value in this case.
This mean is this standard deviation, which is calculated.
Okay. How far do they want us to round it?
3. Just clear up. Use the Excel to clear it up. Cool.
So what's the probability that she gets at least 35 hits?
Right here.
Or we include the left tail since it's, the right tail since it's greater. You know.
0.853.
853.
Yeah. Double check. 0.853. All right. There's P, there's N. What's the question? Standard deviation of P. So plug in a number.
Right, so N was 2000
Is 0.5. No, sorry, 0.52. Yeah, you're right. 0.52. Yep. One more. Clear one more. Cool. Da, 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 da.
What Z-score would we use? So we don't have a mean.
Wait, we just we want to determine the probability that result of the survey will suggest that Panda is losing the election, getting at least that 50% of the votes. So that's 1,000. That's 1,000 right there.
For me?
Mm-hmm. Could be right.
Well,
50%.
well, because N is just the number of people that we're serving.
Alright.
So we're just taking a sample.
Cool.
What's the other formula?
there's none, you mean?
So we can do
Those are calculating the probabilities and stuff. I'm assuming the mean is thousands because that's where the 50% of your survey will be at. But and oh no, it's hard.
the next part of this class isn't hard. It's just getting everything lined up in the right place.
Oh wait, mean is this one. Wait,
So P equals is the mean of the P with the thing,
yeah.
which is the sample.
So let's go back to our Excel and plug in the number going. Same thing, yeah, just plug in that, see the P.
Well,
And then they suggest that 50 people are doing this. This number is coming from the number, the sample size, and the x. So x is determined by us right now because we know there's 50% here and we know the number, so we can determine the x. That means x is 1,000 right here. That's not right.
Yeah, that's right.
We can.
it's kind of hard. That's why I stopped. I guess I should try it. I don't have it.
Oh, okay. See here, this formula. So now we know that we can. Now we know that we can find out our P triangle with just by doing our own math. Our P triangle will be 0.5, which is the probability, the percentage that the question is asking for. So P triangle equals 0.5. Now we use this formula. P triangle equals 0.5 minus 0.52, and then divide by standard deviation. So the mean is 0.5. That's the mean for and that's the z-score, and we want negative because why is this?
So this minus this, maybe that needs to be flipped.
You need to flip that. Yeah. That's the right number. That's z-score. What z-score would we use?
Let's see what's the probability that
Show the candidate is losing even to a true equals. I'm assuming this one.
so then we go and
This one.
what's that number?
0.038. Oh, done. Let me submit this.
On the MC. Sorry, it's sorry. I'm over by the behind the ping pong ball. Table.
0. Oh, 3 questions wrong.
So what?
We got 3 questions wrong. The last 3 are right, so we're good.
Yes. Comforting. So 13. Okay, so what should we put for 13?
12 is wrong too, so probably do consider 12 wrong as
So
well.
you score, okay, 12. So
Wait.
12 and 13.
Oh, I put 12 wrong here. 12. Oh, 12. Oh, no, never mind.
12.
12 is wrong. 13 is wrong. Yeah, same answer. One more. Number 7 is wrong. That one is tricky. That one I don't know. 333.
Girl tried. Okay, so we'll try that one with that one. Okay, it was 12 and 13. Okay, so we know that means we have the right standard to deviate, right standard deviation of P.
Break it? Oh,
Okay, so
man.
11's right. So let's go back up here and adjust our numbers in Excel because we switched the formula. So N was 100 and P was, what's the P for that one?
Thing is,
So you know, we're almost off. Okay. And then we did know the mean was about 3.
yeah.
That makes no sense.
Go back. Go back. More than 35 hits. More than 35 hits.
Okay, so 10 was right though, right?
Yes.
10 and
11 is right.
10 and 11 are right. Okay, so we can. It's
So-
asking for the Z score. So we know 10 and 11 are right. So there's. Here, my borrow your computer right now. So we know that one's right. We know 10 was asking for this one, right?
10 is, I think, yeah, this one.
Okay, so we know that part's right, that part's right. So it's whatever our mean value, that's the value that we're getting.
No, me, we're getting right too. This will name it P triangle.
No, but this is P.
No, this is P. P is mean. Wait, this one's mean.
P is the. So P is the mean of P triangle.
That means we don't need this.
So we don't need it necessarily get rid of it. It's just,
This one minus this one is correct. P triangle right here is what just happened?
my touchpad is super sensitive, so.
That is the answer.
Isn't that what we used
No, that was not.
We used
Yeah, that's right. Because the mean, the value is bigger than the mean, so the z-score is positive. That's right.
Sure.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
So that's the value then of P. Okay. Okay, so it's asking
Greater than the z-score. Well, we need to switch our z-score first. Yeah.
it's at least 35. Let's put we'll change it there.
That's it. Yeah, that's it. That would get 7 wrong again.
So change 7?
No, I don't know how to do it. That's the thing.
What was 7? I'm trying to remember if we changed it on mine.
You change yours to.
That's right, 13.
Yep, 7 is wrong. Ah,
Smallest number. Did we run it through both tests though?
well. So in the actual textbook, it says like it's important to check both conditions. If one of them is not satisfied, we can conclude that P triangle follows a normal distribution. But it didn't say how to do it. I say we'll leave that question as there. Ask Sister Lemon how she will do it. I cannot find a way to do it.
Well, because I know for that first one, so we need to find, we're trying to find n, right? No.
Try to find n.
And yeah, we're trying to find n, and we know what p is. So we can divide. I mean, leave that one there.
Where it says 0 to 70.
There's over. So just over p, and we know what p is, right? We know p is 2, 5.
And divide by.
So I could use 40 for this one.
Yeah.
So then we can go and, I don't know, go check this other one, which is the
Oh, I see where it's coming from. The answer is 40.
so, but for this one we get 30.
No, we get 13.
We get 13. Okay, let me go check. So let me go run the numbers then.
The answer is 40. Now I know. Now I know it.
Yes. 2, 5. Okay. It's asking what's the lowest of the satisfied. So it's got 75 times 40.
No, you cannot plug the n in there because these are two different formulas. You need to calculate separately. If you
Okay.
plug n in there and you also plug p in there, then the formula will not be equivalent.
Oh, okay, I got you.
This
So you're saying still
so
treat n as unknown.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, in that case, I get what you're saying. So then yeah, this will be.
So let me do it again with your answer and with the right answer that we just leave
No,
it.
it's right here. I just opened a separate tab, so.
Let me do this, and then you can follow it if it's right. You might give me the answer.
1 and 2, I trust you can answer. Okay, so 3 is each slice represents.
4, 5.
4 is the only difference.
All right, 7.
5 is true. 6 sample size. 7 is 40.
Okay.
8 is 0.4.
Okay.
9 0.1.
Okay.
10 is 0.35.
Okay.
11 is 0.048. 12 is 1.091. 13 is 0.138. 14 is 0.011. 15 is negative 1.79. 16 is 0.038. Cool.
Let me check this answer.
All right, there it is. All right. Let's push through this. True. Slice. The only difference.
The only difference?
True.
Proportion. Sample size. 40. 0.4. 0.1. 0.35. 0.048. 1.091. 0.138. 14.011. Negative 179. 0.038.
Okay, then the other thing, real quick, stuff for that final project.
Final
We
project.
can talk about that. Final project.
What do we need to do with it?
Final project overview. So, 7 steps. The first 5 steps are the same as you've seen in the reading. So basically, we need to design a study. So, an exception for step 2, we all each will do. This is where we need to either get McCabe and KA. The other got to step up or not. Because I think she says, you know, whatever the one person does, you know, everyone, we all get the same grade, I think, at the end is what it was. So, wait.
So what kind of study can we design? Any? Or is there I'm just curious, there's a certain topic that we do.
So we need to fill this part out. And we figure out, decide, all right, who's doing this, who's going to actually fill out the paperwork for that part. So. Basically, we need to figure out something we want to research.
Create our own research and then execute.
And then, yeah, so design a study and then do it. Then whoever does the design of the study has to go and they'll answer all these questions. Or they're at least responsible for submitting it. Then we're conducting a survey and if we're doing anything with students, it sucks. I guess they said if you're going to do that, you have to go talk to people on campus and get approval. I guess you said it doesn't happen very often anyway, so probably try to avoid something like that.
Let's think about something right now.
Let's stop our broadcast. It's a certain thing.